Hello, this week we're going to be going over how to add a Google Analytics dashboard to your WordPress backend. This is another tutorial provided by Compete Now. WordPress and e-marketing tutorials give you the keys to web presence and put you in the fast lane to success. Learn more on our website at startcompeting.com/tutorials. You can also sign up for our newsletter where we send out a notification about new tutorials, or you can just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, now we'll just get started. We're going to be using a plugin for this, so first thing I'm going to do is go to the dashboard and go to plugins. Alright, hit add new. We're going to search for Google Analytics dashboard. That's what you're going to search. I also put a link down below in the description where you can download it directly and upload it if that's the way that you want to do it. So here's the Google Analytics dashboard plugin by Carson McDonald. I'm just going to install that. And as I'm installing that, if you don't have Google Analytics installed on your site, I do have a separate tutorial that shows you how to do that. I put that in the video description. And then if you don't even know what Google Analytics is or what you can do with it, then I also have another walkthrough that will go through all the ins and outs and the basics of what you can find and learn about with Google Analytics. And even if you already have it installed and you never really explored the whole dashboard, the video might be helpful to you. Alright, so now that that's installed, Google Analytics dashboard, we're going to go to settings, and we're going to go down to Google Analytics dashboard. Okay, and I just want to make sure that I'm not already, well, I don't want to be signed into my Google account because I want you to see exactly. So if you're already signed, okay, I'm not. So if you're already signed in your Google account, it'll automatically try to connect. You want to make sure you're signed into the Google account that is connected with your Google Analytics account. I'm not even signed in, so what you can do is just hit start the login process. And then what I'll do is it's going to ask you to sign into Google. I'll do that now. All right, dashboard application. So I'll say grant access. All right, and then it'll pull up all your accounts if you only have one. If you only have one account set up on Google Analytics, it'll be easy. You just select that one. If you have multiple, just select the right one from your account. So I'll just take, I don't know, take one of these. This one. All right. So don't unless you want to have to put your password in every time. Um, don't forget authentication. All right. Now we're gonna hit save. There. Now all you got to do is go to dashboard, scroll down, scroll down, and then you can see the Google Analytics dashboard right here. Um, so the name of the website I was using an example was Organized Wardrobe. So you can see that on their best day she got about 140 hits, a little under that, and then on an average day it's usually more around 60. So you can see the trend. Let's see. You can also see 540 visits in the past month. Page views. You can see time on site. You can see how many of those people were new visits versus returning. Bounce rate, how many of those people came, looked at one page and left. You can see what your most popular blog posts are, right? So that's pretty cool. Top searches, 45 not provided. That means that people were signed into Google and they were doing the search. The other highest 24 is people searching for the business name directly. Refers, LinkedIn, Facebook. So you can see all this. Now, the other thing I'll quickly cover before we continue is you might not want to have to scroll all the way down here every single time. Sometime personally, I don't use any of these things that are in the dashboard. I just don't. So I'd rather have this all the way up at the top. What you can do is go to screen options, and just take out everything except Google Analytics dashboard. And then what you can do is also make it so it goes across. So go on number of columns, hit 1. There you go. Now I'll put the screen up. Now when you sign into your Google account, now you just see basically a quick snapshot of your stats. Obviously this is just a dashboard. You can't see nearly as much as you can if you actually sign into your Google Analytics account. But this is very effective in that we're all really busy. We don't have time to always go and really skim through our Google Analytics data. But at least this will make it so that you at least see it every time you sign into your website, and you have a good idea of, oh, look at that, I had a lot of traffic this time. What could have caused that? So it just makes you a little bit more on top of what you're doing, and if you're getting your traffic and you see this trend going up, probably give you even a little more motivation to add more blog posts. All right. So this has been another tutorial by Compete Now, WordPress and e-marketing tutorials that give you the keys to our presence, big to fascinating success. Plenty more on our website at startcompeting.com/tutorials.